Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Esther Owadiai TV. In today's recipe we are going to prepare delicious stew. Come with me and let's get started. This is my parboiled tomatoes. After blending it look like this. After boiling it for 1 hour, my parboiled tomatoes look like this. Come with me and let's get started of the preparation of the delicious stew. If you have never subscribed to my YouTube, go and subscribe to Esther Owadiai TV. This is the pomo meat that I'm going to use to prepare this delicious stew. Stay tuned and see the end of this stew. After boiling the pomo, it look like this. Keep on watching and keep on subscribe. And this is the goat meat that I'm going to use for this delicious stew. After boiling it look like this. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Keep on watching and keep on subscribe to Esther Owadiai TV. Hit the notification bell, share and like. And this is the turkey meat that I'm going to use for this stew. This is the ingredients to make the stew delicious. Please stay tuned and see the end of this delicious stew. After frying the turkey meat, it look like this. Thank you guys for liking, for subscribing. And this is the fish that I'm going to use for the preparation of this stew. Stay tuned and see the cooking time of this stew. This is the fish, dry already. I've already prepared just because of time. And we add everything inside. After adding it, my delicious stew look like this. This is how I prepare my delicious stew. Please keep on subscribe to Esther Owadiai TV. Hit the notification bell, share and like. This is how I prepare my delicious stew that make it look so yummy and delicious. Thank you guys for staying tuned, for sharing this live broadcast. Thank you guys. Keep on subscribe and keep on liking. Keep on sharing Esther Owadiai TV on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. Keep on sharing and keep on liking. See you next time with another recipe like this. Keep on subscribe, keep on liking Esther Owadiai TV. Thank you guys. See you next time with another cookie time like this. Keep on subscribe and keep on liking Esther Owadiai TV. Bye to you all. Bye my people. Thank you guys. Bye.